This is problem 4.8 from chapter 4 of Brigham and Houston's Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition. Here we are given some information and going to have to use our algebra skills to go in there and figure out what was net income. Okay, so let's write down what we know. We're told that sales were 17 million. We're told that ROE, which is net income over equity, is 17%. So net income was 17% of equity. We're given a total asset turnover. The total asset turnover is sales per dollar of assets of 3.2. So is sales per dollar of assets, if there's $3.02 of sales for every $1 of assets, then my assets would have to be $5,312,500. And I can double check that. If I take sales over assets and come up with 3.2, then I did it right. I always recommend you check that. So common equity on the balance sheet is 50%. So it's given in the problem. Common equity on the firm's balance sheet is 50% of its total assets. Then that times 0.5 tells me that the equity was $2,656,250. So if I want the net income, I know that from the return on equity ratio, net income is 17% of the equity. So this times this gives me a grand total of $451,563. And that's your answer.